Hey guys, welcome back to another one, and today we are talking how you can recover the deleted contacts on your Android phone. This is very simple, but before starting our tutorial, I request all of you please do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more technical tips, tricks and secret hacks. Just go to your Google Play Store, then come to search bar, click on the search bar and search PHONE phone by Google. Alright, just search this one and download the Google Dialer app, which have 1 billion plus downloads. And after downloading Google Dialer, just open it. If there is available any update, then just convert it to the latest version. After downloading or updating your Google phone or phone by Google, just open the application. After opening the application, just go to the top left corner 3 bars. Alright, then click on the settings options. Here you will see the new updates and new features of your Google Dialer. But you need to know the deleted contacts or recover. Okay, now look here. I will just a minute. Alright, click on the left top corner 3 bars, then click on the contacts. After clicking on contacts, just open it. Once you open the contacts, then click on the 3 bars, then go down. Here you will see an option recycle bin, click on that. And listen, any contacts you delete will stay in the recycle bin for 30 days before they are deleted forever. Once you delete any contact sometime by mistakenly, it's happened, so don't need to worry. You can recover all the contacts that you have deleted or mistakenly deleted, that are all available here for the next 30 days. And if they here the deleted content is available, then you can recover it or restore it from here easily. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.